Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make your very own DIY bug off spray. If you are new around here, hello and welcome. My name is Marissa. I am a pharmacist and health coach, and I am super passionate about holistic living, healthy recipes, and using quality essential oils. I have been using oils for about 3.5 years now, and I love them. I use them for so many things, including making my home smell really good and cleaning, as well as supporting my health and wellness. So immune, hormone, energy, sleep, emotions, and skin support. And they help me live a more low toxin lifestyle, which is very important to me. Our bodies are constantly getting exposed to harsh chemicals, and although our body does have natural mechanisms in place to help us deal with these and remove them from the body, the systems can get overwhelmed by the sheer number of chemicals that we are exposed to on a daily basis. For example, pesticides and preservatives can be found in our food products, and chemicals like fragrance can be found in personal care products like lotions, shampoos, soaps, deodorant, and perfumes. It's a lot, and I like to do what I can to help minimize the load that my body has to deal with on a daily basis. And now that we are full swing into the summer season, we are spending lots of time outdoors, and with that comes a lot of little critters, and nobody likes that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY bug off spray using essential oils. It's super easy and quick to make, and we are going to make one together right now. So you're going to need a 2-ounce glass spray bottle. I buy these in bulk off of Amazon. They're very affordable. I'll leave them linked down below. And I also use them for other things. So maybe like in cleaning or, for different air fresheners throughout the year. And I just like to have a bunch on hand, and this way I can use them whenever I need to. So in a 2-ounce glass spray bottle, you are going to add in 10 drops of lavender. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I've noticed that when I talk, while I do this, there's just no way of me counting it all. Next, you're gonna need 10 drops of peppermint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And what I also, that was 11. What I also like about the peppermint in here is that peppermint has a very cooling sensation on the skin when you apply it topically. And that's awesome for during the summer because it's usually really hot and it's just nice to cool down. And the last essential oil that you're going to use today is citronella essential oil. So we're gonna add 10 drops of this as well. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We made it, okay. So those are the essential oils that you need in order to make this. So at this point, we just have the essential oils in here. And now we're going to add in a splash of witch hazel. Witch hazel is going to help the oil stay suspended in the water, which is the last ingredient that is going to be in here. So we're gonna put in a splash of the witch hazel, and then we're gonna top it off with water, and then that's it. And with the witch hazel, so you don't technically need this. It just helps the oil stay suspended in the water. Otherwise, they're just gonna float to the top. If you don't use this, just really shake it good before you spray it on. But if you don't want to always have to do that, then you can go ahead and grab some witch hazel. You can get this off of Amazon too, and I'll leave it linked down below. Just a little note here with witch hazel is to make sure that you buy one that says unscented, because some of the other ones actually do contain fragrance. I looked at the ingredient list, and the whole point of this is that we want to try to lower our toxin exposure, and fragrance is something that I try to avoid in my products. Okay, so now in goes the splash of witch hazel. And now I'm going to go ahead and top this thing up with water, so I will be right back. Okay, I am back, so now we're just going to put the spray top on. Make sure it's sealed. And we're gonna give it a good shake. And now it is ready to use. You can store this at room temperature, out of direct sunlight, or something that is really nice too that you can do is store this in the refrigerator, and that way when you go ahead and spray it on, it has a nice cooling sensation on the skin in addition to what you would feel with just the peppermint being in here, and that's just gonna feel very nice and cooling on a hot summer day. I do recommend putting a label on here just so that you know what it is and what it's for. And it's gonna be nice because once you start collecting these things all around your house, you're gonna be like, what was that again? I don't know. So go ahead, put a label on it right away, and you're good to go. And then I also wanted to mention that if you didn't want to DIY this, super easy to do so, but if you didn't want to do that, then another great option for you is this insect repellent right here. This comes in a bottle, as you can see, and it also comes as wipes. They are DEET free and formulated without parabens, fillers, phthalates, petrochemicals, animal-derived ingredients, synthetic preservatives, synthetic fragrances, or synthetic colorants. That's a lot of chemicals that could be found in our products. The insect repellent bottle and the wipes are proven to repel mosquitoes, ticks, and fleas with 99% active ingredients, plus 1% vitamin E to moisturize and condition the skin. It feels really good on the skin. It doesn't feel greasy or sticky, so that's a win in my book. And both can be used on adults and kids when used as directed. The wipes can even be used on pets to help keep the critters away from our furry friends, so that's a great win in my book. And the wipes are individually wrapped, which makes them great when you are on the go, like when camping or hiking, or if you have some people coming over to your home for like a summer bonfire or a barbecue, and this way everybody can kind of grab one and use it if they need to. I've linked everything in the description box. When you shop using my link, you will be part of my oil community and you can join my Facebook groups, which are packed with lots of helpful resources and information. And I am also here for you as well to help you get started and if you have any questions along the way. And a huge thank you to all of you for supporting my small business. So subscribing to the channel, liking this video, commenting on it, shopping Young Living using my link, grabbing some of the merch on Etsy, getting my cookbook, or even shopping something from my Amazon storefront. It all helps to make this channel possible, and I am so grateful for you. So thank you for watching, and for those of you who are placing your first Young Living order using my link, be on the lookout for a welcome to Young Living email from me. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more tips on how to use essential oils to support your health and your wellness. And I will see you guys in my next video. Stay well, my friends. Bye.